Hi, in this short tutorial, we'll explain how you can access all the College of Military Engineering subscriptions, along with thousands and thousands of publications from the ARTRAC eLibrary. You can use ARTRAC eLibrary by visiting artraclib.refread.com. You need to log in. To log in, use your email address and the password. In case you don't have your login details, feel free to write to support@refread.com. Once you are logged in, you have access to all the content that's subscribed by CME, in particular ASME, ASCE, and IEEE, and not just limited to campus network. You can access all these subscriptions from anywhere across the globe. The process is very simple. You just need to click on the publisher, which will list all the publications from that particular publisher, in this case IEEE. Click on one of the publications and you'll be taken to the publisher platform, and the remote authentication will be performed automatically by the eLibrary platform. As you can see in this case, you will find the College of Military Engineering Pune specified there, which means that the remote authentication has been performed, and then you can just pretty much access IEEE content like you do while sitting in the campus. Click on any of the articles you want to read. You will be able to read the entire full text from anywhere across the globe, and you can also download the PDF. So the experience is pretty much seamless, and it's exactly how you would use IEEE content from within the campus network. Let's just repeat this same process for one more publisher. Now ASME, I go to e-resources, I click on ASME, which lists all the 29 publications from ASME. I click on one of the journals, Journal of Heat Transfer. The authentication is done again. As you can see, College of Military Engineering specified at the top. I can click on any of the articles and I will have full text access. Yeah, I'll just download the PDF to show you that it's working. Yeah, so you can read this article from ASME, and last but not the least, we'll do this similar process for ASCE to show you that the remote authentication is working for ASCE as well. Click on any of the publications published by ASCE and it will take you to the publisher page. The remote authentication will be done again and you can read any of the articles. It's as simple as that. One more thing, apart from reading, the articles of your choice, once you are on the publisher platform, you just need to go from the eLibrary platform, from the ARTRAC eLibrary platform. But once you are on the publisher platform, you can just pretty much do anything. You can switch from one journal to another. I'll just do that once. So yeah, Journal of Civil Engineering Education. Click on that. The authentication will seamlessly work. So once you're on the platform, you can pretty much do anything there. Uh, there's one more way you can find content on ARTRAC eLibrary. Just click on the All Content button. You will see that all the publications will be listed here, and there are lakhs of publications that you can access on the library, not just publications from ASCE, ASME, and IEEE. All these open access publications are available to you. Refread Premium Collection is available to you, and specially subscribed by CME. All the publications, 270 plus publications, are available to you. Once you click on this access filter or any of the options, the result set will be filtered down. So I've clicked on subscribed by CME, and all I get is the subscriptions which are of the CME college, specifically IEEE, ASCE, and ASME. But I can always look at the Refread Premium Collection, which is also available to you. Uh, in short, the subscriptions of Army War College are not available to users affiliated to College of Military Engineering. Other than that, pretty much everything is available for full text access to users. Refread Premium is a great collection of video lectures, expert talks, monographs, ebooks, and journals. So please do give it a try. It's a pretty nice collection of periodicals, which includes Journal of International Security from MIT Press, Diplomat, China Quarterly from Cambridge University Press. So it's a pretty good collection. Most of the journals published by DRDO are also listed here. Indian Military Review is a great journal. So you can access this entire content in addition to the subscriptions of College of Military Engineering. This was a very short demonstration on how you can access content on ARTRAC eLibrary. We'll be doing a detailed demonstration very soon. In the meanwhile, in case you face any issues in logging in to the library, or you're not able to find content or not access any of the publications, please feel free to write to support@refread.com. We would love to help you out. Take care. Happy reading.